Okay, now look at this. They have all kinds of varieties. Now you have the Caesar here, right? This is the wet food, and $2.20 off. Look at and I just want to show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. So you can get sales. If I keep walking, they have treats. This is the Members Mark, right? And that one is $17.24. These are the dental treats. Look at that. So they have a little bit of everything here, and that's what I'm saying. So look at this one right here. This is for original beef ingredient pup, and that one is $16.98. Sam's Club. Come shop, get discounts.